have very generously donated the cash prize of our winners. Rupees 1 lakh cash prize was donated by Pidongil IPS DGP Manipur. The sponsor for our first runner-up, rupees 75,000, was donated by Sanmati Traders Imphal. The second runner-up will be presented by T.H. Arun Kumar, Honorable MLA. We would also request our co-sponsor, Atomy, to please get on the backstage. We would request a member of our sponsor, Atomy team, to kindly report backstage.
There are 6 subtitles in Miss Good 2022. Let me read out some of them. Traditional dress designer will be sponsored by Lezara Restaurant. Best Smile will be presented by Gigi Cafe Churchanpur. Best Skin, Atomy Skincare. Hair, AK Enterprise, Pauna Bazaar. Miss Photogenic, PCB Agency, Uripok. And Miss Congeniality, Vadilal Ice Cream, Renkai. Thank you to all our sponsors. To subtitles.
So the first subtitle winner, which is the lady with the most beautiful skin, and to give away the winner and the prize, we have Atomy Skincare team. The winner for the best skin goes to contestant number 10, Ning Dae Kim. Here she is, and to present the gift, we request one of the sponsor, a team member sponsor from the Atomy Team Care. Come and stand.
Best beautiful skin, contestant number 10, Ning Dae Kim. For the next subtitle, we have the subtitle of Miss Beautiful Hair.
And the winner is
Miss Beautiful Hair. We have contestant number for Miss Beautiful Hair, contestant number 12, CC Lingdae Choi Kim Kong Sai.
she would receive a cash prize of rupees 20,000. She is our Miss Beautiful Hair, Sisi Lingdae Choi Kim Kong Sai. Congratulations.
have the next subtitle. The next subtitle for Miss Beautiful Smile. For the next subtitle of Miss Beautiful Smile, we have contestant number 9, Soibam Shushima Devi. Our sponsor for Miss Beautiful Smile is GG Cafe Churchandpur with a cash prize of 20,000.
That is contestant number 9, Soibam Shushima Devi with the most beautiful smile. And she would receive a cash prize of rupees 20,000. Congratulations.
We have Miss Beautiful Smile, contestant number 9, Soibam Shushima Devi.
Next up, the next title is Miss Photogenic.
Miss Photogenic subtitle is sponsored by PCB Agency Uripok with a cash prize of 20,000.
And the winner of Miss Photogenic is contestant number 4, Hilary Chanu. That was contestant number 4, Hilary Chanu. She has won the title of Miss Photogenic, and she receives a cash prize of rupees 20,000. Next up, we have the best designer.
The subtitle for Best Designer is sponsored by Lezara Restaurant with a cash
Winner is contestant number 2, Gloria Sanate. That is contestant number 2, Gloria Sanate, who has won the best designer.
have for you Best Traditional Attire, contestant number 2. For Miss Congeniality subtitle, we have contestant number 14, Kim Nunthem Angelica Bora. The Miss Congeniality subtitle has been sponsored by Vadilal Ice Cream Rinkai with a cash prize of 20,000.
That is contestant number 14, Kim Nunthem Angelia Bora. Congratulations, ladies. would request all the 18 contestants to please remain on the stage, and I would request our top 5 to please step forward. If I could have all of you ladies